Griddle accessories kit, and it's from this brand. It's called Lycani. This one here, look at it. It's really nice. It's a professional griddle toolkit, and it will meet most grilling needs. Also, you can enjoy barbecuing, camping, or cooking at ease. So let's explore what it comes with.
These are all the parts. And those are the cutters, 2 of each style. This is the burger press, the brush, silicone brush. Those are really nice items, and 2 squeezable bottles with measuring marks on them, salt and pepper hooks, and the cover, the pot cover, so you can cover, you know, your burgers, whatever you're grilling, and the bag. And we've got the bag here to put everything away. Here you go.
With this tool here, and this is like the shovel. It comes with a pot, comes with a tongue, it comes with this. It has a brush, pepper and salt, more different styles from this. So this and this and this style. This style like has blades from all these sides like that. This grilling pack is amazing. It also makes an amazing gift for people you know love to grill. Also makes an amazing collection that has everything you need for a grilling, for a barbecue party. It's just like perfect grilling accessories, perfect collection for your grilling party. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching. Cheers.